Hello, friends. I hope you all are well and doing great. Today, I'm back with another video to give a review on another book, which is Don't Want to Miss a Thing by Jill Mansell. This one is a charming contemporary romance novel that captures the heart and imagination of its readers. Set in the idyllic English village of Briarwood, the story revolves around Dexter Yates, a carefree bachelor who suddenly finds himself the guardian of his infant niece, Delphi, after the tragic death of his sister. Dexter's transition from a high flying London lifestyle to the quaint, slower paced village life is both humorous and heartwarming. As he adjusts to his new role, he forms close bonds with the quirky and endearing residents of Briarwood. One such resident is Molly Hayes, a kind and independent woman who becomes an integral part of Dexter and Delphi's lives. The novel is filled with Mansell's signature wit and warmth, making it a delightful read for fans of romantic comedies. The characters are well developed, each bringing their own unique flavor to the story. Dexter's growth from a self absorbed playboy to a responsible and loving uncle is portrayed with a realistic mix of struggles and triumphs. Molly's own journey as she balances her career and personal life while dealing with her own emotional baggage adds depth to the narrative. Jill Mansell's bestseller Don't Want to Miss a Thing is bursting with humor, brimming with intrigue, and full of characters you will adore. Heat not to be missed by the readers. Written with heart and humor, this is chick lit at its best. Dexter Yates loves his fun, carefree London life. He has money, looks, and girlfriends galore. But everything changes overnight when his sister dies, leaving him in charge of her 8-month-old daughter Delphi. How is he ever going to cope? Comic strip artist Molly Hayes lives in the beautiful Cotswold village of Briarwood. When it comes to relationships, she has a history of choosing all the wrong men. Leaving the city behind, Dex moves to Briarwood, a much better place to work on his parenting skills. And he and Molly become neighbors. There is an undeniable connection between them. But if Dexter's going to adapt, he first has a lot to learn about Molly, about other people's secrets, and about himself. As always, Jill Mansell has created a wonderful cast of characters, a charismatic and good looking as he is. Dexter is probably the kind of bloke that any right thinking woman should avoid like the plague. He seems to be incapable of being faithful and believes in living life to the full in his London bachelor pad. However, when baby Delphi comes into his life, we see another side to him emerging. It remains to be seen whether a leopard can change his spots so. When Molly, his neighbor in the Cotswold village of Briarwood, first meets Dexter, there is an instant attraction between them. But Molly won't stand for any nonsense, and the story follows the ups and downs of their friendship. I love the character of Molly. She's a ta- she's a talented artist with a kind and caring manner, but who seems to attract the wrong men. The story is not all about Molly and Dexter, however, and another main character is Molly's friend, Frankie. She runs the local cafe and has her own relationship and family problems to deal with. This was a fabulous, warm, romantic, and witty read with some great characters that you could relate to and engage with. Delphi was just adorable and one of the few fiction babies that could make me feel broody. I became completely engrossed in their lives, and although you could probably predict how the story would end, and I thoroughly enjoyed the journey. Mansell's writing style is engaging and flows smoothly, making the book a page turner. The romantic elements are well balanced with themes of friendship, family, and personal growth. The chemistry between Dexter and Molly is palpable, and the interactions are filled with both tension and tenderness, keeping readers invested in their relationship. Overall, Don't Want to Miss a Thing is a feel good novel that combines humor, romance, and emotional depth. It's a perfect read for those looking for an uplifting story about love, community, and the unexpected ways life can change for the better. So, this is all we have about this book. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll be back with another book. Till then, just take care. So, if you wanted to buy any one of these books that I had reviewed on this channel, and many more other books are also available on incredible prices. So if you wanted to read it or you wanted to gift it to your friends or family, you can buy it easily from this website, which is www.bestbookforyou.co.uk. You can also get more or less on some selected book. So what are you waiting for? Just visit our website right now and buy your favorite books.